is known for its traffic. It is one of the highly congested spaces. With the heavy traffic, there are many mishaps that occur and some individuals who break rules, which cause road accidents and more. To raise awareness on all things traffic, the students of St. Joseph, as a part of their outreach activity, took out placards on the basic rules of how to wear a helmet and more, in order to educate the people of the city.
From St. Joseph's College of Commerce, and this is a part of our outreach activity, Bembala outreach activity, and this is about traffic awareness where we hold placards at junctions, and our class has been divided into groups, and we are standing at different junctions to make people aware about traffic rules. We'll get to know, first of all, then we can make other people know about it, and also we get to bond with people, our friends too, so it's
by this campaign, what are you trying to give an awareness to the people?
Traffic rules and signals. We want to remind them that if they exploit those, if they violate those rules, it's not just them at risk, but also the people who are the innocent people who are driving, following the rules.
These placards were provided for us by the college itself, so it's just to make people aware of the traffic rules. Even now, most of the people are not aware of the traffic rules as they break signals, drink and drive as well. So we just are trying to spread an awareness by this campaign. It's a 2-day campaign. It's to spread awareness about the traffic rules so that people follow it and spread awareness that people wear helmets, do not use phones or talk on the calls while driving, so that everyone stay safe and they don't cause any accidents as well. People still don't follow the traffic rules, so it's a campaign to support the traffic police as well.